How many meters deep this one? 2 feet? 2 feet enough? This is Goldie room. Why it's bigger than our room?
You see after,
I cannot go there. It's wet already. So it's the same 2 feet, even backside.
No, backside here until here 2 feet. Over there. After make more.
They will make up more.
Here, pichi.
Yes, it is very soft. This area is there is no
area. This water pending here.
there is no stone. They have to put. And what is that? Another
That is
stone.
marking here.
Market that one. They
Not
will add
market,
more.
marking.
Marking. Okay.
Rain came here.
The soil is so soft.
Very soft soil.
Should go that side. Okay, so the stone they will put inside, no? Wait, pa. Lot of ant. There is ant already there. Yeah, but we have to avoid ant to store there what we will need. They will put salt maybe. They will put salt inside well so that ant will not go inside together. These are the big rock stone. So they have to put inside the foundation. See, red stone. First class and second class. Okay, this is 2 feet deep, and that they will make more. This is the kitchen side. This is my room side. Ooh. This room should be bigger because this is the master bedroom. That is the front side.
Our room